Also, the big manufacturers are on site to discuss how to survive this mobile transformation. With us is Renzo Vitale. He's the creative sound director of the BMW Group. Your speech was designing sound for tomorrow. What does it mean in terms of electrical cars?
Electric cars, they have no past in terms of sound. We know how combustion engine sounds like, not how an electric car sounds like. So what we are creating is an iconic sound family. So sound that will become something iconic for the future to come, a reference for the future.
Digitalization, new mobility concepts and new drive technology. This big change faces a whole industry. With me is Dr. Kerim Galal. Which security areas will be added to the work of DEKRA in these days of future mobility?
As the world is getting more and more connected, we have autonomous cars endeavors, we have connected cars, connected objects. Obviously, it goes into the area of data, and we have to make sure that in addition to the physical world of things, we also need to ensure the cybersecurity of things, and therefore we also included this in our mission now.
E-bikes, e-scooters and escalators are already part of today's mobility. This trend affects more and more other parts of mobility, and I'm gonna test it. A complete new version of future mobility is sim racing, and I'm gonna test it. Mike Rockenfeller is with me, DTM champion. Thank you very much that we can use this sim car racing. What system is this? What future mobility?
Well, what we do with World EX, we want to do a world championship in sim racing with electric cars, future mobility. I think there's a lot of potential. We can create, fun motorsport. We are proud, to present our new car, which is the base for the championship, and obviously manufacturers are welcome to develop their own car, their own technology. For us, it's important to have future technology involved, and that's why we are doing it.
Can I take a little tour?
Of course.
Okay. With me is Philine Gaffron from the Institute of Transportation and Planning and Logistics of the TU Hamburg. More regulation, less choice, that was the title of your speech. Some mobility options must become unavailable. What do you mean by this, and which?
Been talking for decades about the problem of climate change, of less space in towns, of the problem of noise, etc., etc. And so it's basically the private car that we need to deal with in a different way. It's not rational from a society point of view, the way we're organizing our mobility at the moment. And at the moment we have the realization, we talk about it, but we don't have the action. And we need to close that gap if we're really serious about all the goals that we keep mentioning in terms of climate protection, etc.
Between all these serious topics here at Shift Mobility, there is quite some time for funny experiences. Shift Mobility 2020, a hybrid convention that reflects the entire world of future mobility. There are new players, new technologies, but happily everything is connected to us, humans, however that looks like.